How to be foody and healthy. Strengthen your legs and core muscles with Utkatasana, the chair pose. Think of it this way. Sitting in a chair may sound easy and comfortable. But doing the same by imagining a chair under you is rather challenging. And this is what we do in Utkatasana, also known as chair pose. The literal meaning of Utkatasana is an intense posture or a powerful posture. A bit of a warning before we learn to do the pose. It is a difficult asana to do for beginners, and you need some determination to stay longer in the position. So don't give up if you find it difficult. Utkatasana chair pose, step by step. Start by standing on the mat and place your feet inner hip-width distance apart with all toes facing forward. Take your arms overhead, palms facing each other. Bend both of your knees and reach the seat back position, so most of your weight is in your heels. Keep your knees over your feet. Allow your upper body to lean a little forward slightly. Start by drawing your shoulder blades gently towards each other and down. Try and keep your shoulders away from your ears. Stay for long with the help of your tailbone. Try and hold this pose for 60 seconds, then release. Just to help you better perform this exercise, try and do it near the wall. Start by standing a few inches away from the wall. Adjust your position relative to the wall. Further bend into the position. Your tailbone just touches and is supported by the wall. Benefits of chair pose, Utkatasana. This yoga asana helps in exercises the spine, hips, and chest muscles. This helps in strengthening the lower back and torso. This tones the thigh, ankle, leg, and knee muscles. Further, this helps in balancing the body and brings determination in the mind. Contraindications of the chair pose, Utkatasana. The recommendation is not to practice this yoga if you have chronic knee pain, arthritis, sprained ankle, or any other knee problem. It is also recommended to take special care and slowly proceed with this yoga pose during menstruation. Avoid this yoga pose if you have lower back pain. The science of Utkatasana. As you start sitting in this imaginary chair, your body seeks strength and stamina and also imparts a sense of calm and stability throughout. As you squat in this pose and eventually deepen the squat, your body will need to get time to overcome gravity's resistance. For this yoga asana, your quadriceps need to be very strong. Also, the quadriceps are among the biggest muscles in the body. When this muscle is strong and strengthened, knee problems are automatically combated as it supports the knees. Make sure you do this gently, as it can be harsh on the bones if you do this rigorously. Subscribe our channel, like, comment,